Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to find lost headphones easily. I'll be telling you specifically to try these things first in this very simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this video instructional tutorial. Let's get into this. Sorry about the long intro, but I'll be going over 4 specific things that you can do to find your lost headphones, okay? And maybe you lost them, an hour ago, maybe you lost them a month ago, but hopefully these things work for you. I'm going to start off with the easiest things and then work my way to like the ones that are less likely to work. But if you've already searched if you've already searched like the most common areas, then really it's going to be the 4th one that's going to work for you, probably, hopefully. But the first 3 are like the first things that you should do. If you lost them a month ago, you've probably already tried the first 3. Anyways, let's get into this. Number 1, the first thing that you need to do, number 1 is look where you had them on last, according to your memory. Now you might not remember exactly where you had them on last, but where's the last place that you remember having them on? You're going to go look there. Now you're probably not going to find them there. You might, but you might have already checked there. But the key here is that you need to know where that location is to help you with the other methods as well, okay, with the other steps as well. So go look all over. The place that you know you had them on last, search that area from top to bottom. Don't leave anything unturned. Don't leave any stone unturned, okay? Because that's going to be likely where they are or nearby where they are, okay, according to the likelihood, okay? If that doesn't work and you still didn't find them, move on to number 2, which number 2 is to use the finding feature if they have them, if they have that finding feature. So a lot of modern day wireless headphones have a finding feature where if you lose them, they'll either track them, locate them, or make them vibrate or make them make a sound. Whatever the case is, try and use the finding feature if your headphone is equipped with it. And if you do have the finding feature, then walk around as you're trying to locate them because they might be buzzing or vibrating and you gotta hear where they are. So walk around as you're pushing the button trying to find them, okay? If that doesn't help you out, you still didn't find them, move on to number 3, which is to look everywhere between the last location and now. So once again, number 3 is to look everywhere between the last known location and now. So the last known location, which was number 1 in this video, step number 1, the last known location where you had them on, and now, where did you go, okay, between those 2 spots? Where did you go according to your memory? You might not remember everywhere, but as you go and look in these places, it might jog your memory a little bit. So this is why it's good to do these things, because even if you don't remember, as you start going through it, you're gonna probably have some flashbacks. That's why how the memory works. Oh, I can't remember their name. And then 20 minutes later, oh, I think it starts with an N. Nicholas, that's his name, Nick, right? So that's the idea there. That's what we're working with here. You might not find them exactly right away, but you're working your way towards finding them. So number 3, where was the last known location of where you had them on, and where are you now? Where did you go between those 2? Search it up, top to bottom. And last but not least, if you still didn't find them, move on to number 4. Number 4 is to check nearby spots that you wouldn't usually go. So once again, number 4 is to check the nearby spots that you wouldn't usually go, that you wouldn't typically go to. So for instance, maybe you wouldn't typically go bring your headphones in the bathroom, right? You might, but maybe you don't. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but let's assume that you don't bring your headphones in the bathroom. You might have left your headphones in the hallway outside of the bathroom. Somehow, they might have got kicked into the bathroom if someone was walking by. So that's why you gotta check the nearby locations, and that you wouldn't usually look into, even in terms of opening up drawers, opening up cabinets, looking under the couch, that kind of stuff too. Look for them and you will likely find them. Assuming that you lost them in your house or in your on your property, you have a much higher likelihood of finding them in that way than if you lost them when you were out and about. But even if you lost them when you were out and about, you might still find them. So it's worth looking for them. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.